Allah who is the most merciful, Almighty. So guys, today we have a very important topic that is about enough plus noun. So I hope you that you will like this topic. So guys, before the watching my video, so please subscribe my channel and as well as like. And if you have any kind of difficulty and every kind of topic in English grammar, so please write it in comment. So guys, today we have a special topic that is enough plus noun. So we will come to the side of definition of enough plus noun. We use it with a noun as adjective to show high number of quantity. It's mean, like example, I drink enough water. That's mean here it show high number of quantity. Okay, here I show I drink enough water. It's mean that I don't want to drink more water. But that means that he don't want to drink any more water. So we use enough word when we are complete, if something is complete with us. Okay, here I drink enough water. This means that he drink a lot water. So I have enough books. That means that he don't want to bring other books. Yeah, that means that he wants a lot book. Another. That's I have enough books. It means that he have enough books. So guys, in this topic you learn how to use enough. So I think that someone gave me money, that I tell him that I have enough money, I can do everything in that money. Okay, if it is marriage, if it is everything, so I can get. I have enough money. If I tell someone that can I give you marker, if I tell them that I have enough marker, that means that I have. So guys, I hope that you learn this topic. So if you have any kind of questions, so please subscribe my channel and as well as like. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.